What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at Dynamic Auto Tune and we are installing the AWE exhaust and fixing my jacked up wheel bearing in the back right. But dude, check out this R8, man. Whoa. What do you think? Should I wrap the F30 in this? It's like a snow camo. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know. Big shout out to Keys Motorsports. Thank you so much. And AWE Tuning for the exhaust. I appreciate it so much. I can't wait to hear how it sounds. We're gonna go through the full install and I'll give you the sound clips and the look and all of the good stuff afterwards.
Probably the best way to do it.
Look at that. Yeah. That's great.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, that's crazy. Cool. Oh, it's named Dynamic too, huh?
Yeah.
Today on the food vlog,
into the back cave.
in the R8, it's a V10. It's automatic though. It's kind of weird. Everything is Alcantara. Pretty cool spec. Ted's taking pictures of the engine. This is such a cool car though, man. Such a cool car. Might be the next one. Might be the next one. I had a hole in my tire and plugged it. So this like cigar looking thing. Put the new bearing in. Looks good. Just gotta get this ugly exhaust off. That one looks a little bit better, guys. A lot better.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I changed my mind. I want to keep the stock one. I think that looks better.
I like bigger, so I think
I like. Yeah, dude. Ricky, buy it.
Sorry.
You buy it, man. I'll just do it like that. We'll keep them both on.
pretty much like that.
Yeah.
Put that one on.
It's such a super tight fit.
Yeah, some people like oil exhaust.
So we just gotta hit this real quick. Spray it over.
But it's gonna sound so much better. Yeah, less. And it weighs so much less.
And then I'll hold it up there and hit the mark.
It's crazy because they're black. None of us are black, so it's a crazy comparison.
So we just use duct tape to put it on, right?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Use bubble gum.
Yeah.
Put it on.
Hey. Cherry holds the best.
This turned out good. Oh, it's so nice and clean. Look at that. I want them all to look like that.
Yeah, we will. We'll keep changing them out. We'll do the calipers too.
Yeah, I gotta do these. It's time for you to go. We've had our time together. but it's now time to say goodbye. Open her up.
Give her a little roll. Give her another crank.
So many jokes I want to make right now.
Yep. Already went through. Get up, cut it.
Looking good. Looking good. Woo.
So good. Oh it's got like a texture to it. We wanna. Oh, we gotta take that.
That's a good looking tip, man.
Just a tip.
Just the
JTT.
tip.
JTT.
That's pretty much how it's gonna go.
You can see I'm a ton of help right now. These guys are doing the work. Doing the work to make it happen. Killing it. Staying open late for me. These guys are the best.
Finish it along, then we take off a little more.
About to cut this off. Bink. That's gonna do it. It's gonna
Safety
cut
glasses. Safety glasses.
Safety first. Did you guys disconnect the battery first?
Yeah.
Oh, did right? Yeah, they got it. Just making sure you guys are at the top of the shit. Let's keep it like that. Sweet angle, dude. That's how I want the new one to look when it's on there. That angle.
We don't follow trends. We set trends.
This is the new trend. You guys,
This is the Carolina squat. The real Carolina squat.
this is how everyone should be doing their exhaust. Trust me, this is going to be really cool soon. This is going to be really cool soon. That's how you should do your exhaust. We shouldn't even put the exhaust on, we should just leave it.
See what it sounds like open.
I feel like I should help. There she goes. We're gonna run it straight pipe. I just decided I'm not putting the exhaust on, we're running straight pipe from here on out. Alright, we got it up there. Yeah, good. We wanted to get back into the top of the Yeah, I'll be there.
Good job, Travis. Well, that looks much better with that little tweak.
Yeah.
And all the difference in the world.
Right where it needs to be.
Officially family.
It sounds so good.
When they started,
Super happy with it.
when they said that they were gonna start doing animation models, I was excited.
Super happy. Well, that is it for the video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everyone who subscribes. If you are enjoying the content and you're new here, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification. Comment down below and let me know what you think. We did a good job today.
What diverter valve is that?
Put on I put it, there's an MST intake and then a turbo inlet pipe.
That's the turbo inlet pipe.
Yeah, that inlet pipe.
That's what makes it
Super loud.
so loud.
Man, I don't want to drop my phone. So mad right now.
Hey, happy birthday, dude.
Thanks, bud. 37.
The big 3-7.
bounce